You doing, man? All right, 15-inch conversion, bro. Everybody watch. So, obviously, you know what I mean? You look at the other side, get it before. We didn't get it before, but man, you want to roll that whole edge down there. You want to smooth it out. Obviously, we done sprayed it the first time. You really had to spray it the first time. I just did it, you know what I mean? But spraying, you want to round the edges, cause like this right here, that motherfucker was high as a bitch, protruding out. You down there want to smooth the whole edge. You don't want no sharp ends because, you know what I mean, this is usually where the wheel gonna scrape at. We ain't put the wheel on the first time yet because I done it enough to know, man, give yourself a starting point. It's usually where you want to start at. You want to go on, try to round it as much as possible. Every time you think you done grinded it enough, you want to grind it some more, just to be careful. But man, we finna go on spray it as soon as I find the spray paint shit. And we're gonna let it dry, throw the wheel on, spin that junk, see what it do. See what we doing. Don't care about no overspray, man. Let that dry for a hot second. Throw that wheel back on. Spang it. Matter of fact. Yeah. Matter of fact, shoot. Don't throw it on there. Ooh. What them just here? 26?
Yeah, 26.
Oh boy, with the 26.
26. And on 28.
With the 26. Peanut. Boy, with the 26.
One or two on there, right?
Nah, you want to do all of them.
Do all of them?
Do all of them. You want it as tight as it, you want it tight like you really putting it on. Cause shoot, you fuck around and not do all of them, you jump them off too early. You don't do all of them, you're gonna cheat yourself.
Still on.
Huh?
You still on.
Oh, okay. Ooh, Pino, easy. Look at my boy running them 26s. The 26. And that's the right back out, that's the right backspace and everything on. Right? Man, got the right offset and everything. I'm saying it because my car has somewhat of the wrong offset. But we're gonna make it happen. That boy with the 26s. Ooh, look at them. Woo!
Alright, what we're looking for right now.
Look for them damn lugs, I imagine.
No, we're looking for the socket.
Oh, this thing ain't playing. This thing ain't playing. Man, Step Brothers, by the way. If you ain't heard, ain't heard. Step Brothers.
You don't know what they mean, man. You'll find out anyway.
Man, you coming soon. step brothers. Y'all forgive my brother, man. Mine studs long as a motherfucking lifeline. Them bitches long as hell. But you know, I guess when you go at the speed of light, you need shit like that.
Can't get right.
Can't get right. Ooh, that boy with the exclusives. See, those of us with jig wheels, we just put regular motherfucking studs on, but put motherfucking lugs on. My boy out here official.
Race star, Jack.
Race star. Ooh, look here.
Better call it. Yes, ma'am.
Is there what you calling again?
Yeah. Oh. You said what?
What you working on?
The car?
Ooh. I need that in my life. Other wheel off ground? Oh, I ain't know other wheel. Dang! Oh, no, he didn't. Why the belt? My fault. Damn, big head ass. My belt got you in the game first try.
You ain't hitting in the baggies.
No, it's hidden. But that's why we paint. So you can hear that scrub. But bruh, mine ain't spin this good when I first put it. I got this man in the game then the first try. Now shit, we take it out, see where it's scraped in. That's the purpose for the paint, so you see it. Dang! First try. She's gonna tighten it up a little bit.
Oh. Under the car, then.
Huh?
I went under the car, then.
It's that one.
One behind me too. Someone. One behind me. There it is.
One behind the car.
Nah, I got it, I think.
Peen easy. Got to mind the game first try, you know. Trying to see before I do this. I'm start charging me. This motherfucker nice, huh?
I ain't licking on my hand. Look at your dog, man.
Hey man, you look and you bite your head. Dog on the deep.
Yeah, that's in the back, see?
What?
On the side over there.
What?
Right here, see?
Yeah, but when you paint it,
Big hump right there.
when you paint that motherfucker.
I kind of figured that was gonna be a problem, brother.